Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change passcode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change passcode on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. Scroll down, locate and click on Face ID and Passcode. Type in your current iPhone passcode, then scroll down the page. Locate and click on Change Passcode. Then type in the current passcode again. To change the passcode, click on Passcode Options and then select the passcode options you want to use. So here, let's go with 4-digit numeric code. Then type in your new iPhone passcode. Verify your new iPhone passcode. Then hang on for your iPhone to change the old iPhone passcode to the new iPhone passcode on your device. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to change passcode on an iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.